in the family, why not hire me to manage Navio? Why should it be Fred, the brother, managing Navio?
Because Navio was still young. He was a child. As I told you, he started very early. So really, I am very comfortable if his brother is looking after him.
So, Doctor, the youth of Uganda keep thinking that you have held them hostage because of the data history. You keep saying, we were there, we don't want to go back there. You had to discuss what took you there. Hey, where were you there? How did you get there? It's interesting to know.
Yes.
Yes. What role did you play in getting where you were so that we avoid that?
I was a child. Yes. All I knew was going to school and learning my ABCs. Yes. So among the issues, of course, is the issue of tribalism, which I think the young generation could not really care less what tribe you are. They don't. They are not interested. And they will certainly not beat you up because you are a different tribe. So I think we have overcome that in general. The other one was the opportunities, the lack of opportunities, the lack of education. I think all that caused the problems that we had in the past. At one time, we couldn't have sugar. There was no sugar in the market. There was absolutely no beer. There was no everything. Nothing was on the market. So we went through that. We went through that, and now the markets are just bursting with things everywhere. There's nothing you cannot get in Uganda. So a lot has happened. The other thing that the youth were really frustrated about in our time was a very small percentage went to school. Very small percentage went to school. Now we have universal primary education, universal secondary education, and everybody can go to school, everybody can speak English, and we can see from what they are doing, they are innovating, they are starting businesses, they are the ones moving with ICT and the creative industry and taking it, to international level. So they are happier now. And unfortunately, we need to have more jobs. They are not able to get the jobs that they want, they would like to have. But slowly by slowly, we are getting there.
All right. Dr. Mba, I want to investigate the Elders Forum. Yes. Was your mandate there, or is your mandate limited to politics, or you can also advise on the economy, on other social issues? Because when you say an elder, one elder in manufacturing like you, another elder in judiciary, like Yasso Gola, another elder in something else. So they expect that even as government implements the PDM now, what are the elders saying? Is that the right path for economic recovery? Does it pass the test of getting our people out of poverty?
That one is targeting the people at the lowest level, and it definitely helps because they may not have had the opportunity to go to school, to go to university. So PDM works, and circles are able to work for them. And we are seeing them come out and start some innovations, some businesses, some agriculture. So it is working in as far as the target is at that level. But there were other issues that the Elders Forum looked at. Definitely the economy was one of them. The economy was one of them. Peace was actually number one. We looked at agriculture. We looked at the politics, of course, how our party is working, are they working okay? So there were many issues that we as the elders focused on. And then we also worked on specific items like peaceful elections. That was very important to us. It was the voice of the church, the voice of the mosque, the voice of the Balokole churches, everybody, so the all the religious groups had the same voice. Let us have peace. How do you vote? So there was a lot of sensitization. We did a lot of that, sensitizing people on how they should go and vote and how they should all go and vote. And then try to work as well with the other side, which was government. The Electoral Commission is a strong partner with us, the Electoral Commission, to make sure that the elections are managed well. So that was our role. It was pretty broad. It was not only about politics.
Oh, right. Thank you. I know that you rarely discuss politics, but
Yes.
I appreciate the fact that you know you can evaluate and assess and say a country is on normal progress. But I also know that you're one of the people who are widely traveled, keep flying in and out. And when you travel out, people tell us that out there people only know Uganda as a meal. Is that true? Where you have been?
No, they know Uganda as the musicians. They know definitely they know Navio. They know, so they know a lot of our musicians. They know a lot of our movies. They know a lot of our products. We have, instant coffee out there on the market globally. We have, the textiles we make here exported. So they are seeing Ugandan products on their markets. And when they come here, there is no weather like in the world like Uganda's weather. There's nothing that looks like this the whole year round. It's either freezing or it's hot, hot, hot. We are like this. We are beautiful. So we have beautiful weather. We have very friendly people.
Are these well marketed there, Doctor?
I
Are
think
they known there?
we are doing a lot better now. The Uganda Tourism Board is making every effort to market Uganda. And now with the using of social media, there is really a lot of social media traffic about how beautiful Uganda is, how nice our elephants are, and our lions, and the River Nile and Lake Victoria. I mean, we have it all. We have it all. And most of all, the friendly people, the fun people. These guys dance from Monday to Sunday. So any tourist who comes in on a Monday can go out to, I don't know where young people go, but I know they go to certain places and dance and be part of.
Navio should tell you those places where people go and hang.
I
He knows
think
them pretty better.
pretty well.
Yes.
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 So they can dance the whole week if they want to. They can watch movies. They can go to parties. So Uganda is a fun place. That's what everybody says. Who are the young fun people? They really enjoy it. And then the older ones love our game parks, love the peace in the forest, love the water, Sese Islands, and then maybe our industries as well. Some people who are more entrepreneurial want to know where are the industries and which industries does Uganda have. So yes, those ones are there too. The hotels are here. This is Kabira Club. They're very beautiful.
Very
The
nice,
children are swimming, as you can hear, making a lot of noise. So the hotels are nice. The food is great. And it's organic.
The food.
Our food.
The organic food.
Don't
Is
need.
it organic or it used to be organic, Doctor?
No, it is. It is.
Do you still get organic food here?
Yes.
I get bogoya, the adulterated type of bogoya, whatever,
Really?
the grafted oranges. The
Well,
organic
we
one?
do have the grafted things because we need to keep up with the world, and they are cheaper and more available. People can afford them, and also some of them look better than ours. So those are also coming in. We are being taught how to grow them and all that, but our natural products are also available for those of us who live on a farm in the village. Fene is around the corner, as natural as you want it. We have chitaferi, custard apples right there. Mangoes, I have mangoes. I grow mangoes. Yes, I grow mangoes. So honey is available. We have very nice things. and really generally organic. We have been encouraged to stop using pesticides and use alternative methods of controlling pests, which we are learning to do. Our coffee is on high demand. We are the largest exporter of coffee in the country, in Africa, and therefore, when you say in Africa, in the world. And we are the greatest exporters of gold.
Gold.
Yes.
Gold.
Bigger exporters of gold in Africa, the biggest. Yes. Because we do have a lot of gold deposits.
Where does the gold pass? We don't see the gold. Is it
You want
reserved
to
for
see
you?
it?
We don't see the gold.
Do you
Is it
think
reserved for
gold
you?
runs around for you to see and steal?
We
They
don't
keep
feel
it-
it.
they
We don't
keep
feel
it
the economy.
hidden.
How do we be a gold exporting country? And
Yeah. The money
we're
comes
this
in. You
poor?
ask Bank of Uganda how much money, and Ministry of Finance, how much we earned from gold last year. They'll tell you it was among the top exports.
Do we feel its impact
The impact, well,
of the gold?
we really do not want our ladies all decked out in gold. That's not the purpose. We want money so that we can buy things, buy fuel, buy medicines, buy, we are not like the Indians for whom it's a culture that everybody has golden earrings and golden bracelets up to here. And then you quickly see that the gold is on me. But the gold is not on me. The gold is to bring in money so that we can buy the things that we really need.
Oh, I think should be the second last light one from you. You've just talked about social media.
Yes.
Let me pick your ideas on social media. Your evaluation of it, social media. Other people saying, no, it is spoiling our society. And then others saying, no, it is the way to go.
Yes.
Now, I see when you speak about social media, you say, no, it helps us promote our music and the others. Let me pick your view on social media.
Yes,
As an industry.
it's a complicated and two-way thing. Starting with the problem of it is very addictive. It's almost as bad as the drugs that we all worry about, and yet nobody's controlling it. So it's in the schools, they have computers, they have phones, they have everything, and the children are really spending a lot of time on it. It is very interesting, it's exciting. I think over the last few days we are watching the World Cup. I can tell you all the footballers, the good ones, I know what they are called simply because I don't normally watch football, but it's on social media and it's the one is in my face. So it's not bad. Information dissemination is a good thing. Therefore, we learn a lot from it. If you can use it sensibly, you benefit. You can use AI to improve your work, the media work, you can really use AI to improve how you work and to be able to do much, much more than you do in the normal day. Then the problems, yes, it is addicting the children, especially the young people. They just can't put the phone down. They don't want to, and it's in the class, they're allowed to have a phone. So that is a problem. That is a problem that some countries have banned it. No phones up to 16 years old, below 16 years old. And yet it has disorganized the teachers because we were doing online education. In fact, here we started during COVID. When the children couldn't go to school, we'd sit at home, give each one a phone or an iPad, and they would attend classes. But now it's being banned because it's not just classes. They'll just be scrolling, they will be learning about drugs, they'll be seeing their friends doing weird things. So it can be really, really negative.
Oh, living in Uganda now, would you buy into the idea of restricting children access to the phones? For example, you're talking about 16, 17, and also my daughter Kezia is 5 and is just so much into it, loves this phone, is even able to navigate through it and get access to what I wouldn't ordinarily access. Would you buy the idea that we restrict the access?
I think we have to. It's not a choice now. Children are sick. In the same way that you have drug addicts, you have addicts to social media. And they can't